Let's do system function number 13. That's the smart response technology. So you want to turn that on and off. What that is, the smart response technology, it lets you know, say for instance, you set your temperature to wake up, say in the morning at 6 o'clock, you want to set it at 72. So your system has a smart function. If it takes 20 minutes to heat up to 72 degrees at 6 o'clock, it'll come on at either 5:30 or 5:40 to make sure that when you wake up, your temperature is at 72. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. That's function number 13. So first, you wanna hit the fan and the up button and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Then you see right there, you wanna go to next, and we're gonna go to 13. And 1 means it's on. So I got mine's on. So it's 1, option 1, hit done. That's it.